Hi, welcome back to Channel Them. And for this video, I know it's been a while since I made a product review. Yes, kasi mostly yung mga ginagawa ko is mga unboxing ng mga Crocs kasi sunod-sunod din yung sale online nila. Yes, and yeah. Um, Maganda rin siyang i-share kasi Crocs naman talaga is mahal, but when you buy online it's cheaper. Yes, but anyway, this time it's not about Crocs, it's about the I must say good finds online kasi I've been wanting to buy this since useful talaga siya at it saves a lot of space lalo na pag travel light. Yes. Yeah, so I'm talking about this. This is a jewelry bag organizer. Yeah, so yan, may naka-engrave na company. Yes, so yeah, this is the shop name, Shop Cali, and ito naman is the brand ng gumawa nito kasi it's like a collab. Yes, ito siya. It's made of leather. Yes, my metal, and then this one, yan yung itsura niya. Yes, what I like about this is may lalagyan na maraming earrings, stud earrings. This part is for the rings, and of course for this one, bracelets, anklets, and necklaces. Yes, yeah, because usually when I travel I always bring a this is a jewelry box. Ito, binili ko talaga siya. Yes, ang itsura nito is ganito. Ganyan. Ito yung mga compartments niya dito. Hindi, dito pala ito. Yes. And then, ito is pwedeng lalagyan ng mga necklace. Yes. And, itong part na to, dito is for the rings. Yes, rings. Ganito talaga siya. Kasi nilagyan ko lang ng bracelets. Yan. May paganyan siya dyan sa loob. May compartment para pwede mong lagyan ng maraming jewelries. Ayan, ganyan siya. Yes. Okay, so nabili ko siya online. I forgot how much, pero affordable lang. Yes, and it comes in different colors. And then, nung wedding ng brother ko, ito yung binigay nilang giveaways. Or, hindi giveaways. Parang yung ito lang is exclusive for yung mga mga abay lang nila sa kasal na girls. Yes. So, it's the same lang sila ng green. Yes. And, hindi ko pala nalinisan to. Yan. Yeah. So, the last time, ito yung binili ko. Yung dinala ko when I traveled. Yes. Okay naman siya kasi maraming nalalagay. Kaso nga lang, malaki. Compare dito na parang simple lang. Kasi usually, yung mga ganitong itsura is for the keys lang. Yung iba, yung parang may lalagyan ng mga susi. Yeah, but ito, it's really, really, really nice. Yes. And, yeah, if you're going to buy this, I'm going to share the link kung saan. And, dalawang variety lang siya. It's beige and pink. Yes, so it's affordable and much better kung sa live kayo bibili kasi may less 20% voucher. Yes. Yeah. So, eto siya. Yeah. So, you can also follow their accounts. They have IG, Shop Cali. Cali, yan. Ito yung name. Cali. Yan. Ito yung lalagyanan nila. Which is nice. So, that's all for tonight. Thank you. Bye.